Renowned Pashto poet and outspoken social critic, Matiullah Turab passed away yesterday following a heart attack. He was rushed to the hospital in critical condition, but doctors were unable to save him. His funeral was held in Jalalabad, where thousands attended. Matiullah Turab was known as a fearless and influential voice in modern Pashto literature. More than just a poet, he used his pen to challenge social injustice, poverty, class inequality, educational suppression, and political exploitation. His intellectual honesty and deep connection with ordinary people drew strong parallels to the philosophy of Michel Foucault. Turab believed that education, media, and law are often tools used by ruling elites to control public thought, and that such control must be intellectually resisted. His poetry went beyond emotion. It served as a platform for political awareness and social resistance. He spoke for the voiceless and the downtrodden. His works were never for fame, but for the message. Justice must be a human right, not a privilege for the powerful. Turab often said the educational system that predetermines the fate of a laborer's child while opening success only to the wealthy must be changed. He fearlessly declared that a poet should never remain silent, but must be the voice of conscience.